guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. Today's video was sponsored by Janet Collection. Thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. So without further ado, let's head right into it. Alright you guys, so I just came right out of the shower and my hair is pretty much wet at the moment, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and the one I'm using today is from Cantu. So I'm just going to take this bit and just apply it, maybe a little bit more, and just apply that all over my hair. Next, I'm going to be going in with some oils that I already melted in here. I have coconut oil and olive oil in here. So I'm just going to apply that all over my hair. And now I'm going to be going in with my white tooth comb, and I'm just going to use this to comb my hair. So now that we're done prepping the hair, I'm going to put my hair into cornrows, but I'm going to be mimicking kind of like an illusion of single braids in front, and the back is going to be all cornrows. But of course you guys will get to understand better when I start to do it, so let's just get into it.
Yo sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida, que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte, conocerte de raíz. Pero la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami, bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy.
So you take this one, pass it from under, and then weave it together. And now I'm just going to cornrow the rest just straight down like this.
I'm
going to add a little bit of extension to the mouth just because the back of my hair is really short, so I'm going to add that to it.
Como acariciarte, conocerte de raíz.
Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go. Sneaking out the door while the sun rises, 'cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling, don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling, don't wanna go all in.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through.
So this is what we have, and this is what the braid pattern looks like. This is what it looks like from the front and the back as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and start installing the hair now, and the one that we're going to be using today is from Jeanette Collection, and this is their Zigggy Mambo twist. And I think this one is in how many inches? 30 inches actually. Ooh, this is going to be really nice. And I have her in the color 1B. Details and all of that is going to be in the description box, so you find it there in case you're interested. This is what she looks like out of the pack, and we have 8 twists in one pack. So I'm just going to go ahead and start installing it now.
You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. He'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, cause I only love me.
Alright you guys, so this is what we have. Finally, we're done. I'm so excited and this turned out really nice. Look at what we have with all the hair to the front, and I used a total of 5 packs just in case you're wondering. So right about now, I'm going to go ahead and get my makeup together and I'll be right back with you guys.
Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way, yeah. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on the
So makeup is done, and that pretty much brings us to the end of today's video. I really love this one. I love how everything turned out. This looks so good and I'm so excited, and I can't wait to take pictures with this one. Just in case you're wondering how long she is, I'm 5'6" for reference, and this is where it gets to right here. It passes my waist just a tiny little bit. So yeah you guys, that's pretty much it. So don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, or if you learned anything, just hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel as well. Turn on your post notifications so that every time I have a new upload you get notified. Did I say notified? Wow. You get notified, and share my videos with your friends and your family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.